The middle elevator has a wreath on it. Christmas ornaments. It's actually almost Christmas. So, we're going to the Hyatt. So I'm at the Hyatt right now. Haven't been here in a long time. I might get dizzy going up. Note that now these elevators have new outlines on them. White outlines. New fonts, I think. Right here.
Are you going up?
Yes. What floor are you going to?
What floor are we going to?
It was 2012.
20th floor. 20.
Alright. I'm going up to 21.
Dang.
Whatever they call it now.
Or something else.
Yeah.
20th floor. Going up.
Also notice the Christmas lights. Oh jeez. That thing just jolted down a bit. Oh, I am so sorry. I haven't ridden these elevators in a while. Note that the Chase field, there's no ball game season, but the roof is opened. Why? Because they need to make the grass a little bit better. I wonder if these elevators are just going to stay the same brand or they'll get modernized by a different brand. I mean, for you guys who've done these elevators, how long have they been Schindler? Ice? I'm gonna try and get an internal elevator this time. Alright, here's an internal elevator.
Floor. Going down.
Looks like 15 in the back. Sadly, the Christmas lights they put on the scenic elevators haven't been installed yet, nor has the Santa on the middle elevator. I think they must do it on exactly Christmas. Christmas is Sunday.
First floor. Lobby and ballroom. Going up.
And that's about it.